Hi guys, I have a couple of unboxings from Hermes and it's from spring 2022. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I have somewhat exciting video for me and hopefully for you if you love to watch unboxing. I have a couple of items from spring summer 2022 Hermes collection. I have shoes and I have ready to wear. Both of these items obviously limited edition because ready to wear obviously it's spring summer 2022 and this item also limited edition. So anyway, let's start with unboxing. I'm extremely excited, but before we proceed, if you're into this kind of stuff, if you love Hermes, if you love Chanel, if you love Louis Vuitton, if you love all kind of fashion, please consider subscribing to my channel because I truly addict for fashion. I'm truly addict for the handbags, especially if you love to talk about handbags. We have lots in common. So please consider subscribing to my channel because I truly need your support. So let's start with unboxing and I'm gonna unbox this item first. And one of the items I purchased from the boutique and one of the items I purchased from the website. And the reason because I purchased from the website, you know, we all say try your best to purchase everything from the boutique to build up your strong profile. But when I asked my SA for this item, she said we don't have it anymore and it's completely sold out. So when you buy from the website, this is the receipt. That's how it looks like. I hope it's focusing. And that's the packaging, how it comes from the website. Let me just put it somewhere over there. So I just removed it obviously. And let's start unboxing. I'm kind of all over the place today. I don't know, just maybe I'm a bit excited, maybe a little bit tired, maybe all together. So obviously you can see two dust bags. It means it's a pair of shoes. I'll put the box away right there. Two. And here is the item. Ta-da! So this is Oran sandals, limited edition. Let me actually show you the second one. And I'm kind of bit, you know, not sure about the size. I spoke with a friend of mine because she has pretty much the same shoe size as me, because I normally size 37 in Hermes in all possible shoes. But first let me show you this. So that's how they look like. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. I love the detailing. You can see the piping over here. It's actually of canvas, and inside edge there is a canvas, and obviously just at the edges it's a calfskin. Absolutely gorgeous flip-flops. Obviously right here you can see Hermes. And normally everything from Hermes I'm size 37. Everything, even boots and everything is size 37. And recently I was purchasing those jelly sandals and I got size 38 because they said they are kind of size smaller. And yes, they were good enough for me in length, even like I have a little bit of spare room, but I find them a little bit wobbly because they're too big. But when I tried size 37 at the boutique for the exchange, they were kind of like, you know, too small, I would say, you know. And I kind of, in those jelly sandals between sizes, 37 is a bit too small and 38 it's too big. This one I'm not sure also because there is no longer anything even available on the website. But this is size 37 and I will include most likely modeling shots. And I even asked my daughter if they looking okay, and she said yes mom, they look okay, but I feel that they maybe not bit short, but like, you know, my feet like sits exactly right on the edge of the platform over here. And I usually prefer if I have a little bit more room. And I have my Claire sandals that I previously purchased. This is my Claire sandals from Hermes. And when I put them together, oh, let me just put the different shoe, the ones that, so when I put them together, they just, just like this much shorter, you know what I mean? Because I'm thinking this one, if it would have been 37.5 would be better, but then I'm afraid that it's going to be a wider over here. So anyway, I still most likely gonna keep this because I still have a little bit of time. If I don't, I would say, what I would say, if I could find size 37.5 on the website, I will definitely exchange it, because there is no longer available of these you know, sandals in the boutique, so there is no more possibility to exchange them in the boutique. But if I could get a size 37.5, I wish I could exchange them for bigger. But see, that's the point. Maybe if I'm gonna get bigger, I will find that 37 is more comfortable. Anyway, they're still okay for me. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with me today, guys? I'm so sorry. I'm kind of like, you know, all over the place, but maybe because I'm so concerned, you know, with the size with these sandals. But I think they are gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I like how all this detailing, like, you know, up here, they're absolutely perfect. You know, love it, love it, love it. Love them so very much. So this is the first item from the spring summer, and this is the second one. And what's I would say upsetting the most, because lately also in a boutique I don't have the most exciting experience. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say, when I purchase from the website, at least I receive some kind of like envelope, and this is lately how they just give, you know, receipts from the boutique, just like, you know, a piece of paper, no envelopes or anything. And I don't know what's happening with Toronto boutique, where they're running short on envelopes. And specifically I asked if there is an envelope, you know, for the receipt, because I like to keep all my receipt in your original envelopes, and somehow there is no envelopes. Anyway, let's continue with the unboxing. And this is the second piece, and this is from Ready to Wear, and I'm so excited. So there you go, guys. Ta-da! So this is from the new collection, and I will put a name somewhere on the screen, the name of this specific collection. And I saw so many items already on the website. I saw some of the girls already unboxed something from this collection. Fashionably Amy, she unboxed sweater that's made of wool, and then I saw Bargain Hunting Blonde. I think she also unboxed Cashmere Sweater mixed with the silk. This is actually a t-shirt. That's how it looks like. I absolutely love it. It has almost like a scoop style neck. Right there it says Hermes, Paris, made in France. I purchased size 40, but honestly guys, they kind of larger in size. I could have easily gone with 36 or 38, on like 38 for sure, but even 36. But when it comes to summer, but in general, like, you know, my clothing, I don't really like it so very tight. And I thought it's absolutely a perfect combo, you know, for it could be either spring, summer, or even as a layering piece, you know, even in the winter, just like, you know, put some kind of thin wool sweater and put this one on top, so that's why I decided to go with the larger size, and I absolutely love it. So let me know what you think of this piece. I think it's absolutely gorgeous for spring summer. Later on, guys, I want to also do a video. I usually don't like to, I don't know, rant, you know, on my channel, but lately I have some, you know, funny experiences, you know, at the boutique. So maybe let me know if you want to know of my latest, you know, experiences at the boutique. If you want to know, I definitely will do some video, and you know, if no, then I won't do it. Today I have kind of funny mood, you know, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much for supporting me, for you know, sharing my video with your friends, for commenting, you know, under my videos. If you like, you know, want to share something of your personal experience, or if you like, you know, like something, or you like to comment on specific items, or if you have specific questions, please do not hesitate. This is the community when you can ask anything that you want or you need to know, and if I know the answer, I will definitely answer for you. If I don't know, then you know, c'est la vie. So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me likes, because it's definitely improving my chances on YouTube universe. And I guess that's it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.